I would like to welcome you to Alternative Lifestyle. I am Fabulous Fabina, and I will gladly take you with me into a wonderful world of meditation, or should I say, your inner journey. For some people, meditation is something crazy and weird, or they say it's nothing for me. But no, from the moment you can inhale, hold your breath as long as you can, and exhale, and also hold your breath as long as you can, and keep that doing for several times, you're actually already meditating. So hereby, I invite you to join me on your journey within yourself. And what are the benefits of meditating? You get out of your thinking and move to your feeling. Your happiness hormone is stimulated. You feel much better. Increase your concentration. Your stress reduces. You're going to strengthen your value, and much more. But before we start this inner journey, I want to draw your attention that my voice makes you very calm, even very calm. That is why I advise you to stay out of your car or leave operating machinery while you're listening to my voice for another moment. Turn off everything that can distract you. Mobile phone, a radio, and go to a room where everything is quiet. Sit or lie down in a quiet place with a blanket on you, if necessary, because during the meditation your temperature can drop. Okay, are you ready? Here we go, and let my voice guide you. Today is a chakra meditation. I guide you through one by one your chakras and let them connect with each other. So everything will stream better and there will be a better flow. So sit down as easily as possible with your feet side by side, firmly on the ground. Feel the interfaces with the chair on which you sit and the interfaces of your feet with the earth. Focus your attention on your breath without consciously changing anything about it. Breathe in and rest through the nose, and exhale tension through the mouth. Breathe in and rest through the nose, and exhale tension through the mouth. Check your body in your mind, and if there is still tension somewhere, send your breath lovely to the place until the tension has disappeared. Check your body further. If there is still tension somewhere, then breathe this place in the same way. I will give you some time to check. Okay, we'll go a step further now. And take it easy, be kind to yourself. Now focus your attention on your base chakra and imagine it's a beautiful red flower opening up. And imagine that the silver cord from the base chakra goes very deep into the earth, to the center of the earth. Feel how the love of Mother Earth greets you. And feel how our energy flows into your body through the connection cords, along your base chakra to your spine cord, to your spleen chakra, your solar plexus, to your heart chakra, with each inhalation, this energy fills your heart chakra, and with each exhalation, this energy distributes itself through your body. Now focus your attention on your crown chakra and imagine it is a beautiful purple flower opening up. And imagine a golden connection cord coming from your crown chakra and connecting with the crystalline dimension. Ask if you can receive this crystalline energy and feel how this energy flows into your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, your throat chakra, to your heart chakra. On every inhalation, your heart fills with this energy. And on every exhalation, this energy flows itself in your body. Now, imagine that on every inhalation, your heart floats with both the earth and the crystalline energy. Feel how both energies flow in your heart and how they reinforce each other. On the exhale, you'll send the energy through your body and feel how the energy flows from your heart to your head, and from there along your spine cord to your legs and feet, and back along the front of your body to your crown. Feel how this beneficial and loving energy flush your body from your crown to your toes. Now consciously change your breathing. Breathe deeply from how the air fills your body as the love energy flows into your heart. And exhale very slowly, as slowly as you can. If you are completely empty, expires the breathing space that follows and consciously make it longer until the moment your body takes over the inhalation again. Be aware of the sensation in your body. During this breathing, and then enjoy new love energy that fills your body continue this as long as you can enjoy. Now, let the body take over the breathing again. And now imagine standing in front of a very nice, richly decorated door together with your guide. And greet your guide. Embrace this amazing friend who has been with advice and love for many lifetimes. Shake hands with him or her and know that a wonderful loving experience awaits behind the door. And open the door and see in front of you a beautiful brightly lit room. You'll experience an atmosphere of warm, conditional love. Breathe in the atmosphere deeply and on an inhalation while enjoying the pleasant atmosphere, you step into the space together with your guides. Marvel and enjoy the light and the beauty of this space. Walk around with your guide. Near one of the walls is a sky blue divan. Walk there and lie down on it. Your guide stands at headboard and lays his hands lovely and tenderly on your temples. You are wonderfully relaxed. There is now a number of angels and light beings coming from the high source of love, light, and wisdom around you. They radiate warmth and love to you and are very happy to meet you here. And while you stay relaxed, a sparkling bright white light comes from the ceiling and you feel the presence of an incredible loving energy. This energy fills the whole space and you feel absorbed in a heavenly light. You feel the love from who you are and a huge appreciation for the work you do on earth. Enjoy this unconditional and loving acceptance of who you are. You can now ask a question or place an intention if you wish. And out of love for you, every effort will be made to answer the question or help you archive your intention. The cloud of shimmering light and love is now slowly retreating, but you know that this love will always be with you. You feel wonderful, blissfully, peacefully, and totally filled with love. Get up now. Shake hands with your guide again and walk back to the door together. Open the door and join your guide as you look at the world where you do your important work. Look at the whole creation with a feeling of love and appreciation, and know that it is even more beautiful because you are a part of it. Step through the door, hug your guide, and thank him or her for the unconditional support and love. It's time to come back. Be aware of your breathing again and your body. So, take a breathing breath and there be the movement in your hands, your feet, your toes, your fingers, your arms, and stretch yourself. And slowly come back. And open your eyes whenever you're ready. Does my voice calm you down and you don't want to miss any episodes of me? Then follow me on Spotify, Anchor, or subscribe to iTunes. My opinion is the more informed the better, so follow me. Is listening not really your thing, but a visual? Then subscribe you to my YouTube channel. Both Alternative Lifestyle by Fabulous Fabina. I'm looking forward to the next conversation. I hope you are too. Healing greetings, Fabulous Fabina.